न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए।
Hello viewers, welcome to today's episode of Virtual Jury Care series. I am Advocate Tina Bose, Legal Assistant with the Goa State Legal Services Authority, and the topic for today's talk is Significance of Mental Health during the COVID-19 pandemic. In this context, it is important to know that World Mental Health Day is observed on 10th of October every year with an object of raising awareness with regards to mental health and mobilizing efforts to support mental health. The day provides an opportunity to the stakeholders who are working on mental health issues to talk about what they have done and what more needs to be done to create a mental health a reality for people around the world. The world is experiencing the unprecedented impact of the current global health emergency due to COVID-19 pandemic that has impacted millions of people around the world. We know the level of anxiety, fear, isolation, social distancing, restriction, emotional distress experienced widespread as the world struggled to curb the virus and to control it and to find solutions for the same. As per the WHO report, around 450 million people across the world are stressed with mental disorders, and this is one of the major causes for ill health and disorders worldwide. It is therefore of great significance to understand the importance of mental health. This year's Mental Health Day is themed on kindness. It is therefore necessary for us to make better mental health a reality for everyone and everywhere. We have with us today Ms. Anushka Lal. She is a counseling psychologist working with the school children and college students. She also conducts webinars and workshops. She is also a qualified yoga instructor. She is going to give her insights on the significance of mental health and its role during the COVID-19 pandemic. So let's welcome her and get started with today's talk.
Hello everyone, I am Anushka Lal. I am a counseling psychologist, and today we are here to talk about the significance of mental health. Now 10th of October every year is globally recognized as World Mental Health Day, with an objective of raising awareness around mental health and sort of mobilizing efforts in supporting mental health issues. Now, mental health does not mean absence of a mental illness. If we are in good mental health, we are able to cope with adversities that we have faced in our lives. We are more resilient, we are able to be more productive in our work. We are able to participate fully in our family life, in our workplace. Hence, mental health is very, very important. If we look at the World Health Organization's definition of health, they describe it as a state of physical well-being, social well-being, mental well-being and spiritual well-being. But the mental component is often overlooked. We do not pay enough attention to our mental health because of many reasons, because there's lack of awareness about mental health issues, lack of knowledge, and also the stigma that is associated with mental health issues. The continuous stigmatization of mental health conditions makes it very difficult for people to talk about their mental health issues, to seek professional help. To give you a context, I'd like to throw in certain numbers. According to a research done by World Health Organization in 2019, approximately 7.5% of the population in our country is currently dealing with a mental illness. According to another independent study, approximately 150 million people require active mental health intervention. However, only 30 million people are getting the intervention that they require. Another study by the British Swedish charity states that approximately 42.5% of the population working in a corporate sector are currently battling with issues like depression and anxiety. Suicide was seen as the most prominent cause of death among the youth, age ranging from 15 years to 39 years. The numbers are so scary that it shows how much we ignore and neglect our mental health. We need to start focusing on our mental health as much as we do for our physical health. It is as important as our physical health. We need to look at mental health as a spectrum. On certain days, we might feel like we're doing okay, we are being productive, we are being efficient. Whereas on other days, we may feel like we are low, we are not being as productive as we might want to be. But if it continues for over a prolonged period of time, it is best that we seek professional help, we seek intervention in form of medications and therapy which is available. Also to highlight that currently we are in a situation where we are hit by a global health emergency due to the coronavirus. It has impacted millions of people. There's a lot of uncertainty about the illness, anxiety, fear, stress building around the virus. Most individuals have lost their jobs, which is creating financial difficulties, financial burden. All of this amounts to great level of trauma and stress, which requires intervention, which requires that we focus on our mental health. We do a lot of things to look after our dental hygiene, to look after our physical hygiene. In the same way, it is important that we take certain steps to ensure that we have a healthy mind. One of which would be reaching out to people. A lot of people consider talking about their mental health as a sign of weakness when it is not really. We need to reach out to people that we trust, we can confide in, share about our feelings, thoughts. Apart from that, it is very important to also physically being active. 20 minutes of exercise regularly can help you alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. There are certain chemicals that release in your body when you are indulging in exercise. For example, serotonin and endorphins, which are linked to positive effect. Eating a healthy meal is not only good for your body and vital organs, but also good for your mental health. Sleeping, getting adequate amount of sleep every night is also very important and is linked to positive mood. Apart from all of this, a lot of us use substances to cope with our stressors. Using alcohol or cigarettes to cope with stress is not an effective coping mechanism because in the long run it will prove to be more detrimental than useful. Try not to indulge a lot in substances because they can cause more harm than benefit. The most important thing to do if you have symptoms over a particular amount of time is to seek professional help. There are certain symptoms that you all can manage on a daily basis, but certain symptoms will require medication, will require therapy, which is when you all have to sort of seek professional help from a psychiatrist, from a counseling psychologist or a clinical psychologist. Now you all also have online services available at nominal rates. You can take help at the comfort of your own homes. It's time that we make mental health a priority so that we live a more fulfilling life. I hope this video has benefited you all in some way. Thank you.
This big picture is necessary that the mental health is prioritized now more than ever before. Together we are stronger, together we can make a big difference all over the world. With this, I thank Ms. Anushka Lal for her insights on the topic of mental health and its significance during the COVID-19 pandemic. I thank you all viewers for tuning into this program, and again I would like to remind you all, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण
न्यायालयातल्या कारवाई खातीर बरो वकील मेळोवन दिता.
वेळार योग्य कायद्या खालची मदत आणि सल्लो दिता
लोक अदालत द्वारा चड काळच्या केसीक बेगीन सोपयता.
आणि ते बी सामके मोफत.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण बेस बरो न्याय बेस बरो समाज.
अधिक माहिती खातीर लागच्या न्यायालयातल्या न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण कार्यालया लागीं संपर्क करा
वा टोल फ्री नंबर 151000 चेर फोन करा.